Hello guys, it's me again, Fatima Adnan, living in Pakistan. So now guys, my God, my tummy is so big. So now guys, I clean the room because my co-worker is come back home. Yes guys, my co-worker is come back, so I need clean. So many hair, my hair is falling. Yeah, I need to clean my room guys. Oh my God, my nail cutter. Yes, this is my work and this is my everyday routine. Everyday routine. Yes guys, this is my everyday routine. I want when my coworker come, room is clean because this is not our home. No matter our home or not, we need clean every day. Yes, we need clean every day guys. For me, always clean. Ay, di po ba? Yeah, I put there. Oh my God. Ay, so hot. So much hot guys. And I also clean her slipper because when she come back, so it's clean. Yes, I'm wearing. This is a college. There and so much loud. We need cleans. Ay, nako guys, it's so hot. Oh my God, so much here. I don't know how I stop my hair falling down. I don't know. Ay, nako. It's so hot. This kind of weather is so hot. So hot. I not open the door because I'm hearing upstairs. The person can see. Yes. No person can see me. Thanks God. It's done guys. It's done. Oh my God, it's done. It's so hot. So now guys, This is room so clean and neat. Open door. Oh my god, I have so many space. This is bed of my coworker, and here this is my bed. Yeah, and this is her covered. Inside of this is a cloth, and then she asking if I want covered so I can put my cloth, but I don't want because when I go, so I quickly get and go. I not need put in my bag. Oh my god, it's so hot. Yeah, this is for washing, but I wash this by my hand because I don't want wash on the washing machine because I don't like. So if I wash on washing machine, so other cloth, not my this like this, because I feel if I put maybe broke. yeah, that's why I'm using my hands, because one before when I was in Cebu, I put on washing all my clothes, but I feel all is like you know what, because washing is doing like that and doing like that. Yeah, that's why I not wash by washing. Sometimes other washing, you know, other automatic washing. So because just only like that and then like that, not same other like. Yeah, so it's so hot, so much hot. My god, guys, now the floor is so clean because I don't want when she come back her room. My god, why Fatima not clean the room? Why Fatima like that? What she doing here? Oh my god, what happened? Yeah, I'm not like other if clean if yeah, I don't want any person can say about behind my back. Yeah, I don't like that. So now guys, I need to bye bye again. And please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please support my YouTube channel and like and share. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.